Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a door deadbolt. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and of course, your brand new deadbolt kit. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. We'll be working with standard door hardware, so these tools are typically all you'll require for a successful swap. Now that we have our tools, let's begin by removing the old deadbolt. On the interior side of your door, you'll find 2 screws holding the deadbolt in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these. Once those are out, gently pull the 2 halves of the deadbolt assembly apart. Finally, remove the latch mechanism from the door's edge by unscrewing its 2 small screws. This prepares your door for the new hardware. With the old deadbolt removed, it's time to install the new one. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, making sure the up arrow is oriented correctly, and secure it with its 2 small screws. Next, slide the exterior half of the deadbolt through the door, aligning its tailpiece with the slot in the latch. Finally, attach the interior half, ensuring the thumb turn properly engages the tailpiece, and secure it with the 2 long screws provided. Our final step is to test your newly installed deadbolt. First, with the door open, operate the deadbolt several times using the key and the thumb turn to ensure it moves smoothly. Then, close the door and test it again, checking for any binding or resistance against the door frame. Make sure the strike plate is perfectly aligned. Finally, double-check that all screws are tightened firmly, but avoid over-tightening. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your deadbolt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.